When you think about military power in the Middle East, Iran is always a big part of the conversation. So what's left of Iran's military in 2025, after one of the region's most intense conflicts in decades? In June 2025, the US and Israel teamed up for a series of massive airstrikes on Iranian nuclear facilities. Iran fired back with a barrage of missiles, enough to hit almost every part of Israel, even with top-tier air defenses in play. That was a wake-up call. Despite heavy damage, Iran's missile program still packs a punch, and its arsenal can threaten US forces and energy flows in the Gulf. But it's not all about missiles. Iran's drone game is strong. They've exported Shahed drones by the hundreds to Russia, where they're now being mass-produced. That means Iranian tech is shaping battlefields far from the Middle East. Still, Iran's proxies, Hezbollah and Hamas, played only minor roles in the latest fighting, and the fall of Syria's Assad regime has left Tehran more isolated than ever. Even Russia and China, supposedly Iran's strategic partners, offered little more than words when push came to shove. And while Iran's parliament threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz, the world's oil lifeline, they backed down, knowing it would hurt their own economy most. Inside Iran, the leadership is shaken, facing internal divisions and foreign intelligence breaches. Some leaders want to push harder for nuclear and missile capabilities, while others say it's time to focus on rebuilding and stability. In short, Iran's military is battered but not broken. Its missiles and drones remain a real threat, but its regional influence and alliances are weaker than ever. Iran's power is evolving, and the world is watching what happens next.